Hello, friends. If you are 60 or older, I want you to listen closely because there is a very good chance that right now, every single month, you are paying bills that you do not have to pay. Some of these you are legally exempt from. Others get wiped away the moment you make one phone call. But here's the thing. Nobody is going to volunteer this information to you because your payment is their revenue. The bank, the utility company, even the government. They're not in the business of reminding you to stop paying them. So today, I'm going to walk you through 5 of them. For each one, I'll tell you who actually qualifies, honestly, because some of these really depend on your income or your state, exactly how much it can save you, and the precise place to go to claim it. And definitely stay with me to the end, because the last one is the absolute biggest of all. We're talking over $2,400 a year, and millions of seniors who qualify are literally still paying it anyway. Quick thing first, if this explainer puts money back in your pocket, do me a favor, subscribe and turn on the bell. I dig up the rules, programs, and deadlines that quietly cost seniors money, and I explain them in plain English. All right, let's dive in. Let's count them down, starting with number 5. Number 5, bank fees. Monthly maintenance fees, paper statement fees, minimum balance fees, even those annoying overdraft fees. The average checking account quietly charges somewhere between $5 and $15 a month just to exist. And over a year, that's well over $100 for doing absolutely nothing. Now, I'll be straight with you, this one isn't a law. You're not quote-unquote legally exempt. But here's what almost nobody tells you. Most major banks have senior checking accounts, usually starting around age 55, 60, or 62, that waive those monthly fees entirely. And many will waive them on your existing account if you simply ask. The catch is you have to ask. They won't move you over automatically. So here's your action step. Call your bank or walk right in and say, do you have a senior or no monthly fee checking account and can you switch me to it? If they won't waive the fee, well, a local credit union almost certainly will. There is zero reason to pay a bank a monthly fee just to hold your own money. That's the easy one. The next one is an actual set of government programs that most eligible seniors never sign up for. Number 4, your phone, internet, and heating bills. There are real programs built specifically to lower these bills for older Americans on a limited income, and they are massively underused. The first is called Lifeline. It's a federal program that gives a discount of around $9.25 a month on your phone or internet bill, assuming your income is below the limit or you're already on a program like Medicaid or SNAP. The second is LIHEAP, the Low-Income Home Energy Assistance Program, which helps pay your heating and cooling bills, and in many states, it can cover a real chunk of your winter energy costs. And on top of that, a lot of states actually have rules that protect seniors from having their utilities shut off during extreme cold, and many utility companies offer senior discount rates and will waive late fees if you just ask. So, your action step here, contact your utility company and ask about senior or low-income rates, and search for LIHEP plus the name of your state to apply for that energy assistance. Okay, now we're getting into the bigger money. Number 3 is one where seniors hand cash to the government that they may not even owe. Number 3, federal income tax. Here's what a lot of seniors just don't realize. Once you turn 65, the amount of income you can earn before you owe a dime in federal tax jumps up, sometimes by a lot. On top of the regular standard deduction, people 65 and older get an extra standard deduction. In 2026, that's about $2,050 more for a single filer. And brand new, for 2025 through 2028, there's an additional senior bonus deduction of up to $6,000 per person. That's $12,000 for a married couple where both spouses are 65 or older, as long as your income is under $75,000 single or $150,000 married. It does phase out above those levels, and the best part is you can take it whether you itemize or not. Stack all of that together, and a lot of retirees living mainly on Social Security plus a modest amount of other income owe little or no federal income tax. Some aren't even required to file a return at all. So step 1, don't just assume you owe, check the thresholds for your specific situation. And step 2, this one is pure savings. Do not pay someone to prepare your taxes. There are free programs staffed by trained volunteers, AARP Tax Aid, and the IRS's tax counseling for the elderly. They will do your return for free. Paying a preparer $200 or $300 when you qualify for free help is just money walking out the door. All right, let's keep it moving. Number 2 can be worth thousands of dollars a year, and it's just sitting in your county office waiting for you to claim it. Number 2, property taxes. If you own your home, you already know this is often the single largest bill you pay all year. But most states and counties have special breaks for seniors that go completely unclaimed. Depending on where you live, you might qualify for a senior homestead exemption that knocks a chunk off your home's taxable value, a senior freeze that locks your property tax bill so it can't keep climbing as you age, or even a deferral that lets you postpone paying until the home is eventually sold. These usually kick in right at age 65, and most have an income limit, so not everyone qualifies. But an enormous number of people who do qualify have simply never applied, and they just keep overpaying year after year. Here is your action step. Call your county assessor's office or your local tax office and ask, in these exact words, what property tax relief is available for seniors, and am I eligible? If you qualify, the savings can be hundreds or even thousands of dollars a year, every single year you own that home. And now, the big one. Number one, the bill that millions of qualifying seniors are still paying when they don't have to. It's over $2,400 a year. Number one, your Medicare Part B premium. In 2026, the standard Part B premium is $202.90 a month. That is about $2,435 a year pulled straight out of your Social Security check before you ever even see it. But here's what most people don't know. If your income and savings are below certain limits, there are programs that will pay that premium for you entirely. They're called Medicare Savings Programs, and they come in a few levels with names like QMB, SLMB, and QI. Depending on which one you qualify for, the program can cover your full Part B premium. That's the entire $202.90 a month right back in your pocket. And the top level can also cover your Medicare deductibles and copays. Separately, there's a program called Extra Help that can dramatically lower what you pay for prescription drugs under Part D. Millions of seniors qualify for these and never enroll, simply because no one ever told them the programs actually exist. Your action step? Contact your state's Medicaid office to apply for a Medicare Savings Program, or call 1-800-MEDICARE and ask them to point you to it. If you're getting $202.90 taken out of your check every month and money is tight, this is the very first call you make after this explainer. And hey, here's a quick bonus while we're at it. If you're 62 or older, you can buy a lifetime pass to every national park in the country for a one-time fee of $80. A small thing, sure, but it's yours. And most people end up paying per visit for years without knowing it exists. So let's recap the 5. Number 5, bank fees. Ask for a senior or no-fee account. Number 4, your phone and heating bills. Look into Lifeline and LIHEAP. Number 3, federal income tax. Claim your extra deductions. And never pay for tax prep when AARP and the IRS will do it for free. Number 2, property taxes. Call your county and ask about senior relief. And number 1, the big one, your $202.90 Medicare Part B premium. Find out whether a Medicare Savings Program will pay it for you. None of this is a trick or a scam. It is a set of real legal programs and waivers that exist specifically to help older Americans. And they go unused every year, simply because nobody connects the dots for the people they were built for. So if this saved you money, or could, do 2 things for me. Subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss one of these explainers. And please share this with someone 60 or older who is watching every dollar. There is a real chance they are paying for at least one of these things right now and have no idea they don't have to. It makes you wonder, what other hidden savings are quietly slipping through the cracks? I'll see you in the next one.